Hi there, I'd like to share some of the special features of this folding table here. This has a polyethylene top that's UV protected. The legs here are made out of alloy steel, which actually makes them very light, and they're also powder coated, so that helps against rust happening to them. They do come in different lengths. This one that you see here is a 6 foot and it's 30 inches wide. One of the things I really like is just how light this table is. You can see all by myself, I can literally just pick the table right up. It has this little piece here that once you open it, keeps it into place very well. Folding the legs is very easy. I just slide this back, push it in, and you'll notice up here and down on the bottom has a place for the legs to just lock right into place. Again, very easy. I can pick this up with one hand. If you're using this for home use, business use, you can easily set this up. Let's say you're having a party over at your house and you're going to want to put out a bunch of food, crafts for the kids for a birthday party. You can easily set this up, get it going. Or if you're using it for a business, you're going to go to a trade show, something along those lines. You can set this up, put your displays on it very quickly. I like how easy they are and how light they are to use. I had those old wooden ones that it takes 2 people to move them around. Very difficult. The wood starts to warp. The legs start to rust. You don't have to worry about that with these. The polyethylene top, the powder coated legs, it's going to stay in good shape for many years. I've had this here probably over 10 years now, still using it. I love it.